Welcome to the Wildlife Gig, a project that talks about the role of digital media in wildlife documentary. There are lots of wildlife locations that can be found in Swansea and Wales, but today I'm just going to be looking at a few. First is the Weobley Castle. The Goa Peninsula surrounds the Llanrhidian community, providing different environments that support a variety of species. Located in West Glamorgan, Wales, sits a historical castle called the Weobley Castle, located on the Goa Peninsula in Swansea, Wales. It is a historical site known for its medieval structure. Here are some general examples of species in the Weobley Castle and the wider Goa region. First, there are plant and wildflowers. The Goa Peninsula is home to a variety of environments ranging from coastal cliffs to grassy hillsides. You can expect to see a wide range of flower and wildflowers, especially during the spring and summer months. Second, due to its coastal location, marine life may be found in the water surrounding the Goa Peninsula. Fish, crabs, and other marine vertebrates may be included. Sheep and lambs are one creature that may be found in this castle. Sheep of various sizes can be found here. The lambs here eat plants from the marshes in the upland pastures, and there are only few grass species. The RSPCA claims that the majority of lambs live on pasture. However, they may be transferred to other locations to the overwinter on grass before returning to their home farm. Speaking about mating, mating between the female sheep and the male sheep usually takes place in October and November. Did you know that the rams are occasionally fitted with radu harness, which have various colored dyed pens attached to them, which allows the farmer to observe which female sheep has mated with the ram and when? The majority of the lambs are born in the late winter or early spring. Some breeds, however, naturally produce lambs at various times of the year, and certain artificial approaches can advance the breeding season. Now that's all from me at Weobley Castle and the Goa Peninsula. Now moving on to my next wildlife spot. A few walks to Swansea city centre is a wildlife spot called Swansea Bay. Located on the south coast of Wales, is a dynamic coastal environment that supports a variety of wildlife. While the specific species you might encounter can vary, here are some general categories of animals that can be found in and around Swansea Bay. First, birds. Usually, you can find birds in this area around the seashore and tall structures like lampposts and roofs. One can also find marine life here. Swansea Bay is part of the Bristol Channel, and its waters can host a variety of marine life. This may include fish species, crustaceans, and mollusks. Grey seals are known to visit this area, particularly at low tide when they haul out on sandbanks. It is worth noting that specific wildlife you can encounter can be varied on the time of the year, weather conditions, and other factors. Additionally, the Swansea Bay area includes not only the bay itself but also nearby coastal habitats, estuaries, and wetlands, which can contribute to the overall biodiversity of the region. Dogs are often found at Swansea Bay. Swansea Bay is a popular destination for locals and visitors, and many people bring their dogs to enjoy the outdoor spaces, especially in the beaches and the coastal parts. However, there are some important considerations and guidelines for bringing dogs to the Swansea Bay. It is essential to check the local signage and the information to be aware of where dogs are permitted. Visitors can also relax at Swansea Bay as it has so many sitting spots. The Bay area's promenade and parks have chairs, picnic tables, and other waterfront seating for inhabitants and tourists. You can find spots to sit and relax on the promenade, the beach, or in parks and natural spaces. These seats are perfectly located to enjoy Swansea Bay scenery. Another wildlife spot in Wales that is on my list is located in Forest Park and is called Swansea Community Farm. It's a great place to discover more about habitat and biodiversity. This farm has 3 sections. One is the heath, where trees are cut down to keep open areas for heather. gorse and grassland. The second section is the farm where food is grown. One can find seedlings and greenhouses here, where crops are grown and nurtured. The farm also encourages wildlife by creating different habitats like hedgerows, ponds, and bog gardens. At the site, there are male and female geese which can be found in their habitat in the pond. I thought these creatures were friendly animals till I saw this signage. Yeah, they do bite. The third section is the woods, which is also called Cradle Heaths. In the Cradle Heaths, trees are cut down and used to make woodlands of all asses, which is good for both people and wildlife. It is home to several huge and small animals, foxes, grass snakes, mites, and birds like the skylark and whitethroats love the heaths for its flora, insects, and small mammals. Now, that's all from me today. I hope you have learned a lot from this video documentary. Please like and subscribe, and also follow my Instagram page at WildlifeGive2023. I'm Chinedu Wabuko, and I'll see you next time.